Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5, Subject Science, Chapter 12, Observing the Sky. In this video, we will do question and answer given in the end of the chapter. Question number D. Answer the following questions in brief. First question, why do we usually not see the star during the day? We usually do not see the stars during the daytime due to sun's brightness. Second question, in which part of the sky are we likely to find Venus when it is visible as an evening star? Answer, we are likely to find Venus near the horizon in the sky when it is visible as an evening star. Third question, state the cause of the apparent motion of sun from east to west. Answer, the apparent motion of the sun from east to west is due to the rotation of earth on its own axis from west to east. Question number 4. Name the special star in the northern hemisphere. Why has it been used for travelers? Answer is Pole Star or Dhrutara is a special star present in the northern hemisphere. It has been useful to travelers because it defines the north direction. E part, question number E, answer the following questions. First question, define the term constellation. Answer, a constellation is a group of stars that appears to form some recognizable pattern or shape in the sky. Second question, in what respect is the pole star different from other stars? Answer, unlike other stars, the pole star appear to remain fixed at one place. This is because it lies almost along the axis of rotation of the earth. Third question, write 2 points of difference between a planet and a star. Answer, the difference between a planet and a star are: a planet is closer to the earth than the stars. Second, stars appear to twinkle and planets do not twinkle. Fourth question, why do stars appear to slightly shift their position in the night sky? Answer is, stars appear to slightly shift their position in the night sky due to the rotation of earth on its axis from west to east. Fifth question, why do stars appear as a point to us? Answer, stars appear as point to us due to their very large distance from us. Students, you have to write down this question and answer in your notebook. Thank you.